There's no rule that everything you have to have a point of view on everything. There are things you feel about, there are things you don't feel about it. It's your,
choice. It wasn't the first time in my life that I had to deal with trolling or criticism. So I'm thankful for the praise, and I'm even more thankful for the criticism.
Are you scared of getting typecasted? Are you scared that you should not do comedy?
Hi everyone, joining us today is the cast of Ruhi. Thank you so much for joining us, Rajkumar, Janvi and Varun. How are you guys doing?
Good.
Very well.
But how does it feel to be in a theatre?
Awesome.
Okay, alright.
Control, baby.
The trailer looks damn fun. A lot of people have also compared it to Stree.
मुझे क्यों देख रहे हो?
Because आप
थोड़ी
Stree
compare किया है.
में, आप थे ना
Lot of
Stree
people-
में.
You compared it.
But Rajkumar, tell me, it did exceedingly well, and
Yeah, so
the expectation from Ruhi is the same. Does it put you in a little bit of a nervous zone?
Me? No, of course not. I had a lot of fun, being Bhavra. I had a lot of fun being Vicky. So nothing. I don't take any pressure. It's not my job to take pressure because we have done our job sincerely. We have tried to make a good film, and we are very proud of it. So now whatever happens to the film, it's the film's destiny. Nobody can do anything about it.
But how is this one different? If you had to compare the two.
Completely different.
It's absolutely different. It's a different world, different story, different characters. Just the genre is same, and that's about it. I think it has nothing in similar with Stree.
Right.
Other than the fact that it's a horror.
Coming to you, Janvi, you haven't done something like this before. You've always tried to etch out and take the actor in you and try something different. Did you have to audition for this role?
I mean, I don't know if you would call it a conventional audition, but I had to meet Dinu Sir and convince him that I had it in me to do a role that was as crazy as this, because this role doesn't really have a reference point. And he was, I think, skeptical, and so it took a couple of meetings for him to kind of see that I might be able to pull it off. He called me up and he said, I think you have two sides to your personality. I think one side is the way that you are in front of people, calm and, soft spoken and docile. And then I think there's one side that's like batshit crazy, literally. He's literally said that I feel like you have a split personality, and I think that that's what's required.
Varun, you've been in these cutesy boy who makes everyone laugh. How was this different for you? How did you make sure you made your part different in Ruhi?
I think more than me, I think the way the film is written, Brigdeep Singh Rama and Gautam Mehra, who's written the film, I think they ensured that the part is very different. I mean, of course, it's not something that I've done before. It's a new language that I've tried. It's not my native language the way I speak. There's a lot of there's a lot of Punjabi touch in my Hindi language when I speak, being from North India, and this is set absolutely in a different space altogether. The language is different, the appearance is different, the constant effort is, I love making people laugh or making them smile.
When Gunjan was releasing Janvi, there was a time when people were, throwing all sorts of criticism at you. There were unnecessary comparisons. What was your particular learning from that period that you are probably holding on to now?
My learning from that period was, I mean, nothing that I didn't already know before, honestly. It wasn't the first time in my life that I had to deal with trolling or criticism. And I think that constructive criticism helps you grow so much as an artist, but you need to be worldly wise enough to understand what's constructive and what's malicious. And I think that I have people around me, thankfully, that have inculcated in me how to differentiate between the two. So I'm thankful for the praise, and I'm even more thankful for the criticism, however reasonable or unreasonable it is, because it only helps me raise my own standard.
Who helps you keep sane whenever, because we live in a social media age where people have the right to just pick up their phones, share their opinions, compare you guys because you choose to put yourselves out there every day. What helps you maintain your calm selves?
Do not read it.
Oh really?
You don't have to read it, yeah.
No, I read it sometimes, but I think to just have a good sense of what your priorities actually are. I still read comments and stuff. I think that I have this need to try to be as aware as possible of public sentiment.
But do you guys think that this is an unforgiving time to be in the public space?
Anytime you can say that. And I think you also need to gauge that, sometimes the audiences see through shit that you can't see through, and you have to give them credit for that. So you have to recognize that. Sometimes they show you the mirror. There's a section of society, I guess, that gets something out of trolling, but you just have to be empathic and understand where they're coming from and understand your journey is something else, and eventually if you have to see eye to eye, you will, and if you don't, then you won't.
But you know, like today, when actors sort of are being targeted for putting out their opinions also, in that sort of a situation, do you feel like you're under pressure and you don't have to say a certain thing on whatever's going on? Like you will choose to stay silent as opposed to get yourselves into trouble.
Your personal social media handle, and you want to put out what you want to put out, and you have your own, you know, principles and ideologies that you follow, and you don't have to sometimes go public about it. There's no rule that everything you have to have a point of view on everything. There are things you feel about, there are things you don't feel about. It's your, you know,
Choice.
it's your choice, and when you feel something, when you feel very strongly about something, you put it out there. Otherwise, I use social media mostly for, you know, my just to share out about my work. Otherwise, yeah, I don't really get too much into
You've
social media.
maintained that distance.
Yeah, but
between-
there's so much negativity out there.
Yeah.
There's no point. It just you're working for your inner peace. Everybody's working so that, you know, they come back home happy and get a peaceful sleep. And why do you want to get into like where there are just people out there, as you know, Janvi was saying, who are just there just to, you know, poke you and
Yeah, with
troll
a
you? Why do you
vendetta.
have to just be involved with them?
As public figures, there is a responsibility because the audience gives us so much love, and you know we do owe something to them. But we're human. We signed up to do the job, and we want to do the job. So I think that we respect. It's just, I think, a matter of respecting boundaries sometimes.
You know, Varun, I want to ask you, I've loved you in all the roles that you've done so far. But as an actor, do you feel that you're being typecast into this funny guy?
You know, I've been asked this a lot, that are you scared of getting typecasted? Are you scared that you should not do comedies, you should stop doing comedies for a certain time? No. My answer is very simply, it's always been no. I personally feel that comedy is something I never thought I could make someone laugh or I could make someone smile. When I used to do theatre, I used to do like hardcore plays, I used to do Anton Chekhov plays and Ashwathama and Andha. I never thought that I can make someone smile. It's a very tough thing to do. Fukre was my first outing with comedy, and that's the time when I saw it with the audience, I realized that shit, I can make someone laugh, I can make someone smile. This is the genre that has given me, with the grace of God, the love that I have today.
Right.
This is the genre that has given me the biggest thing an actor wants, which is acceptance amongst the audience. It'll be wrong to say कि तू ज़्यादा हो रहा है तो रुक जा, मैं कुछ और करके आता हूँ. मैं कुछ और करना जरूर चाहूँगा, मेरा अटेम्प्ट रहेगा कुछ और करते रहना, मैं इसको क्यों छोड़ूँ? I personally feel for any actor to get cast on regular films in good scripts and with good banners is a very big achievement in its own self. Typecasting comes much later in life.
But you know, we all know that, you know, cases are on the rise again. What is that one sane advice that you want to give to all of those people who might want to come to the theatre to watch you?
Wear a mask and come. I mean, normal life has still resumed. The vaccine is out. There are precautions that you can take. We've spent 1 year with this pandemic. We know how to handle it. We just need to be responsible. We're going to restaurants, we're traveling, we're going to cricket stadiums, we're doing all of that. We can't abandon such a big part of our society and our community, but we have to be responsible.
Thank you for this lovely chat, guys, and good luck for Ruhi. Wish you all the best and good luck.
Thank
Thank you.
you.